Hello, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to fix TikTok unable to authorize. So the first thing you have to do if your TikTok is not working, head straight to the settings of your phone. So right here on my settings, I just have to look for app management and click on app list. So right here on my app list, I just have to look for TikTok. Click on it. The next thing I have to do is to click on storage and cache. Right here on storage and cache, you can clear the cache and also clear the storage. That way it's going to remove out every trash on your TikTok and automatically it will work. But if it not work for you, this is what you have to do again. Go to your Play Store app or App Store depending on your device and click on the search icon. Search for TikTok. So right here on my TikTok app, you just have to click on the update option in order to update your TikTok. The next thing you have to do, if after updating your TikTok and clearing your cache and storage do not work for you, is for you to head straight to your phone home screen. On your home screen, just look for TikTok and click on it steadily. Click on the uninstall option. After uninstalling it, go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device to reinstall the TikTok. Automatically it will work. So guys, I hope with this you'll be able to authorize your TikTok. If this video was helpful, do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.